Hi guys, me and my daddy made this really big Lego friend's house and I'm making the people. There's a lady and a man and now I'm putting like bits on the side for the horse and I'm making this green pad what has a pink bucket on and a green bucket on, and in the pink bucket there's some water and in the green bucket there's some 2 carrots. And now we're making like some mountains on.
It's like a brick wall, isn't it? It's like a stone wall.
Yeah, it's really like a stone wall. And we're putting some like little leaves on with some flowers. But in a minute, you'll see that we did a bit wrong. Here we did a bit wrong with the stairs. I couldn't put the stairs on, so I asked my daddy to help me, and then my daddy figured out that we did it wrong, so daddy just put it back. And we fixed it then. So then we put these little white bits, orange bits on, and
That's the carrots going in, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the carrots going in. And I think it's very like Minecraft, but little small pieces, very little, and in a while it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger, and we're gonna go onto the roof in a bit, and start making a toilet upstairs.
Still got the sofa to make first.
Yeah, I've still got the sofa to make first. This is what we're building now. And I like about the sofa how at the back, where you sit back on, it stretches up and down.
It's like on a hinge, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a hinge.
So it reclines.
Yeah.
Reclines back.
And there's a table that I like, and it's got a cup of tea on, and it's got a phone.
Yeah, I think we did something wrong with this sofa as well and had to reconstruct it, didn't we?
Yeah. How do you fix things a lot?
I just took it apart and put it back together again.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and they're the little brown.
Yeah, they're the little brown like bits that underneath the chair that hold it up, the legs.
Yeah, the legs. The sofa legs.
Yeah, sofa legs.
There's me fixing it.
Yeah, there's you fixing it. And if you look into the house, and you'll see the kitchen, and I like how there's like a smoothie maker, and there's like a pan with an egg on. It's cooking, and it's a cooking kitchen.
Oh, you missed that table. There's a coffee table there, isn't there? There's 2 things on it.
I said that.
Yeah, what's on the coffee table? Can you remember?
I said it.
What?
A phone and a cup of tea.
A phone and a cup of tea, yeah.
And now I'm making like a little table, dinner table that has some picnic on. I think at the end it's gonna look really good, and right now we're still building the table.
Can you remember what's on it?
A plate with some cheese on, and something like this.
Some bread, wasn't there?
Yeah, there's some bread, and there was this like milk. It was like orange drink, wasn't it? And now we're building the toilet, and we just had to check something because I think we did it wrong, didn't we? And now we are...
There was a toilet roll going on, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
there was a toilet roll sticker going on the little block. And now we are just putting it in a different place. Now I just swapped over.
What are you building? You're building the walls there, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm building the walls here. One of the walls took ages to build.
We did another big error, didn't we?
Yeah, we did something wrong there. We put one of the we put one of the doors mixed up here. I'm just getting the doors fixed because we put the clear one on the toilet, and the clear one should be where the white one it was.
Could you imagine going to the toilet with a see-through door?
Going to the toilet with the see-through door.
Wouldn't be good, would it?
No. You would see all the people in the toilet.
Yeah. So, and then we did something wrong here as well, didn't we?
Yeah, we did something wrong here because we couldn't get the blocks together. That's Daddy just working at the side, and I'm
There
just
we
probably watching. Daddy turned it upside down and dropped some bits off, so I had to put them back.
Carrots cake.
And now we're just making another wall, and this wall takes a long time. Now I'm putting some other bits on the walls. And I made a birdhouse there. And now we're just...
Can you remember what that is?
No.
You'll see in a minute. There's a flower outside the window.
Oh, yeah. Now we're just opening, I think it's 5 bag. And now we're making the railing to go. So now we're making the railing there. And there it's on. Then Daddy just turned it over. And what's we putting on there?
I'm not sure what we're doing there. I think we're building another wall.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're building another wall. We're building another wall on the side. No?
I'm assuming it's one of the last walls, isn't it?
No.
Before you put the roof on.
No, I don't think so. I think there's another wall to put a roof on. There I just went.
Oh, what are you doing there?
I'm putting the windows on. There.
Did you enjoy doing this?
Yeah.
What was your favourite part?
When you got to do that part, it's when you make like a wall, and it's a climbing frame.
A climbing frame wall?
Yeah. And it goes like flop, 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 flop,
I
flop.
think you're making that now, aren't you?
Yeah, that's what I'm making now. Just got that little, it's a bit like a shuffle thing, so like if you do a bit wrong, you can put it on and then just scoop it off.
Took you a while to make this bit, didn't it?
Yes. I think I was a bit doing this part a bit slow.
There's lots of little bits, look.
Yeah.
That's where you put your feet when you're climbing a wall, isn't it?
Yes. Yes. There you see, it's gone on that side there. Now that's a door, I think. Oh no, it's not.
I think you're doing the furniture for that room there, aren't you?
Oh yeah, I think I might be doing that.
So I think that might be a table.
What are those orange bits?
Chair.
Chair. Oh, I remember that little flower that's got a curl, and you put the flower through, and then you put it there, don't you?
Yeah, it's like another room, isn't it?
Yep. Now we're doing another room at the top.
Is this the very top? No, it was the. This is where you're doing the room at the top.
Yeah.
I think that's the last room, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's the attic. This is bag 6, I think.
Oh, there's the attic window. Go in.
Oh yeah, there's the attic window. It's in already. You can see you've just made the little bed.
Yeah. You made it, not me.
I made it. They just reached over to get something.
There's another window going in.
Yes. Then what am I putting on there?
You're making the top windows, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I am. Now what are we making? Can't remember. Can you?
Yeah, you're still building that wall.
Oh yes.
You can see the picture in the background, what it will look like after you've done that bit.
Yeah. Now what are we making?
Well, it's kind of like the finishing touches now, isn't it? You're doing the last little bits.
Yeah, because you put in the roof on now, I think.
I think you're making the roof now.
Yes. Can you see that purple bit? I'm doing the purple bit, and
it's quite clever because it's on a hinge, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So what can you do with it once?
You can flap it.
You can open it and close it.
You can open it for air, and you can close it. You can make it light and dark.
You're very near the end now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Just the roof to get. We changed it a bit because it was wrong, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's the last.